How to create the Don't Look Up style intro on Invideo. It's a simple yet interesting typography style that can be adapted to make jazzy intros for your own videos. The first and the most important task is to arrange the text across different scenes or slides. The font style that I have selected to resemble the one in the movie is Anton Regular. The beginning and the end of the names on the bottom and top needs to be aligned in a straight line. You can also play around with the first name being much larger in size than the last name, with another name compensating that extra space. So you create one slide, duplicate it, remove the name that you want to replace with the new one. So one name will be repeated at least twice in the entire intro. You can choose some bright color combinations for the names, but when those names repeat on the next slide, you'll put a darker version of the same color. And that's it. Your Don't Look Up typography style is ready. Follow invideo.io for more design ideas and tutorials.